lesson, you're going to add, subtract, and multiply your polynomials, so it's important for you to know what a polynomial is. Right here you can see that it's an expression with constants, variables, and exponents. But there's no division by the variable, and your exponents can only be whole numbers. The degree of a polynomial is the highest exponent of the polynomial. When writing your answers, you are always going to write them in standard form. Standard form means you find the highest degree, which is that exponent, put that one first, and then it was going to go in descending order. All of our answers on everything that we do in this unit and future units will always be written in standard form. First thing we're going to do is take a look at adding polynomials. On these problems, you're going to see them start off with parentheses, but we won't need those parentheses. All we're going to do is combine like terms and write our answer in standard form. Copy this example down. On this one, we see that our highest exponent is that second power. So these are like terms. 2x squared and 1x squared will be combined. Negative 4x and positive 5x, we're going to combine those two terms. They're going to go second. And then our third term is going to be combining the 3 with the negative 1. In standard form, this is your answer. Pause the video to copy this example down. Your highest exponent will go first. It has no other terms to combine with. Your next term is the x to the first power, and it's just this 2x. There's nothing else to combine with it. Your third term will be the constant. We're going to combine the 6 with the negative 8 in order to write our answer in standard form. Pause the video to copy this example down. In order to find the perimeter of the rectangle, you must add all 4 sides. Now on this problem, they only show you 2 of the sides. So on this one, when you've got 3x plus 7 over here, it's also going to be the same on this left side. So I highly recommend that you write that in your notes. The 2x minus 1 on the bottom will also be 2x minus 1 up on the top. In order to find the perimeter, you are going to combine by adding all 4 sides. You are going to combine your like terms and put it in standard form. On this one, all of the x's need to be combined. Then we're going to combine all the constants. Pause the video and see if you can come up with the answer before I reveal it. Next step is subtracting polynomials. It's very important that you distribute your negative sign to the second polynomial. Pause the video to copy this example down. So on this problem, what we're going to do is distribute that negative to the 8a squared and distribute it to the negative a. Drop the parentheses, and this is what we have. Now we're going to combine our like terms and write our answer in standard form. The squared term is going to go first, and then the a to the first would be our second term. Nothing happens to the exponents when you combine like terms. Pause the video to copy this example down. We need to distribute the negative to all 3 terms. We're going to drop the parentheses, and this is what we have. We're going to combine like terms and put our answer in standard form. Pause the video to see if you can come up with the answer before I reveal it. For multiplying polynomials, we're going to have to distribute more than one time. Pause the video to copy down this example. This one we have to distribute the negative 2x to 3 different terms. When we multiply x times x squared, we're going to add exponents. It's understood that this x right here is to a first power. You might want to write that down in your notes. So our very first term would be a negative 2x to the third power. This one is already in standard form. Pause the video to copy down this example. On this one we have to distribute twice. We're going to distribute the x times both terms. And then we're going to distribute the positive 3 to both terms. When we multiply x times x, we add the exponents. Now we're looking to combine like terms and write our answer in standard form. We have a couple of terms that need to be combined. A negative 3x and a positive 3x cancels out. So we're left with x squared minus 9. Pause the video to copy down this example. Again, we're going to have to distribute twice. 3x needs to be multiplied to both terms. And then negative 1, don't forget the sign, negative 1 has to multiply to both terms. Pause the video and see if you can work this problem out, and then restart the video when you're ready to check your answer. Copy down this example. To find the area of the rectangle, we're going to multiply the base times the height. You're going to have to distribute that 7x twice, and you're going to have to multiply that 10 by distributing it twice. Pause the video and see if you can find the answer before I reveal it. Copy down this example. In order to find the volume, you have to multiply length times width times height. We have not learned how to multiply 3 things at a time. So on this example, you need to multiply 2 at a time, get an answer, and then multiply your answer times the third side. In this example, I've copied down that I've multiplied x times x plus 6 and got an answer. I need to distribute x squared, and then I need to distribute the 6x. So the volume for this problem is x cubed plus 9x squared plus 18x. This is your final example. It's a word problem. Copy this example down. On this problem, the key word is product. Since it talks about the product, it means we're going to multiply. You're going to multiply r of x times c of x, and then write your answer in standard form. Pause the video and see if you can come up with the answer in standard form.